Here's how to add a watermark in CapCut. Let's get into it. With your project open, head up to Text, select Default Text. This is going to add a text layer within your project. Drag this out through the entire length of your video, like so. Next, make sure this is selected, and then you can come up into text and start typing what you want here. You can also fully customize the font and font styles however you want for your video. Once you're happy with the customization, scroll down until you see Blend. And this is going to allow us to reduce the opacity of this text to give it that watermark effect. You want to make it so you can just still see the text without it ruining the video. I'm going to go for around 25%. Now, depending on the type of video, you may want to duplicate this and make more. We can do this by selecting the text layer, pressing Option or Alt on your keyboard, click and drag up. This is going to create a duplicate, and then you can move this duplicate to where you want it to be. Let's say if I want to go for 3 duplicates here, I'm going to do the same thing and drag this to the top like so. And that's all there is to it.